Hey everybody, it's Adele, and I'm here with my friend Jodi. We haven't seen each other in a long time. What happened to your camera?
I don't know. Mine's like not right.
Oh, yuck. What's happening? It's frozen. Okay, we're trying to do this with two cameras, and it's not working very good. We don't know what's happened with ours. You should show them what we're...
Okay,
it's frozen.
Look at that look on my face. It's like, what?
It's frozen. So we are hanging out in Texas, and we're just getting set up for some lives tonight that we're gonna do. But look what Jodi made earlier. She made, I don't know if I can, why don't you walk around there and pull the camera in so you can see it. So there we go. She did that for when she goes to like farmers markets and things like that. And then she also did this. She keeps her inks in this. And so we just chalked a couple of a rooster and a chicken on there. Isn't that cool? Yep. So Jodi and I, well, you'll have to tune in tonight to find out how we know each other. But we are good buddies, and we will be back later tonight. Whoops, there you are. Don't bounce off my screen. We already laughed so hard that we almost didn't get this video done. But anyway, we'll be back tonight, and we're gonna do a few lives together. Hey, Christy. Hey, Sherry. How you guys doing? These are my friends. They're from Chalk Couture.
Oh, nice.
Yes,
Nice.
they are designers.
Phenomenal.
Siri's talking to us.
Oh, goodness.
Excuse me. We're at my nephew's house in Texas, and I just said something. Oh, I said Sherry. Maybe it thought I said Siri. Ooh, that's funny. Anyway, so we'll be back to you. We're silly already. We'll be more silly tonight, I'm sure, because we're both very tired. I got up at 3 o'clock this morning and drove my nephew and his family to the airport, and she just didn't sleep good.
Stayed up until 3 o'clock in the morning last night. So,
yeah, so she's crazy. Anyway, we'll be back later tonight. You're off camera again. There you are. We'll be back later tonight and chalk together. All right, talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.